macOS SONAMO. Let's see what's new in the latest OS. Yeah. Okay, the widgets are placed pretty organized. Temperature, notes, wall, the timings, reminders, pretty much organized. Yeah. Alright, Zoom meeting is pretty much interactive. It's pretty good. I like the background colors, especially, isn't it, Advik?
Yes.
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 Yes. Glad you said that.
Okay.
See, how's the Zoom meeting going on? Check it. She's giving loves to you, hearts. You show the same?
It's the same.
Show the love symbol. Okay. So this is the home screen. And this...
Kunda.
Konda. Yeah, it's mountain. Yeah. This is not a still photograph. It has a movement though. This screensaver is really excellent. It awestruck my attention and mind. Yeah. Alright, the tabs show this way. Okay. We can add to the dock the browser tabs. Yeah. This remains the same, I believe. Control center and all the navigation widgets. Yeah. So it says explore more tips, discover features to help you make the most of your Mac. Okay. All right. Get to know your Mac. Everything you need to get started.
Right.
Right. Okay. This is MacBook M1. This is okay. This is the desktop version, and this should be the MacBook Pro. The photos, the documents. Okay, this seems to be good. Interactive. It resembles like the tab. Yeah, I believe. Screen printing key. Okay, this seems to be new for me. Okay, the applications. Okay.
Mastered.
So clean and neat, the latest one.
Okay.
I need to update the same in all my Mac devices, iOS, Apple devices basically. Yeah.
No bed.
So what's new? Okay, discover new feature, explore more tips. Okay.
Let's carpet.
That's it, I believe. It's repeating the same. So that's all, for now. Thank you. Bye, Jabal. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Subscribe.
Like.
Right.
Thank you.